Hey, what's up, fam? I'm just getting on here for a couple minutes. Just running down to y'all. This video here, we kind of just jumping around from spot to spot. See what we could pull out the water. But it wasn't the best of days. But we hooked something and make you feel a little better. But it's always once you go to fishing, and you always get ready to. Let's say after this, we're gonna go and roll out and go somewhere else. Then you get a bite. You catch something. All right. Yeah. You stay here a little bit longer. Then nothing. Then as soon as you say, all right, man, it's roll out. Go to another spot. Then you catch something. But make a long story short. Sometimes it just happens like that. Me personally, some of y'all don't like to post, stuff like that. It's post only the catches, but I just like to share the experience, because sometimes a person might think, damn, he banging them up every time he go out there, and which you might be. But sometimes, it just ain't the case for some people. I ain't trying to put no one on blast. But, when it come down to fishing, it just go down like that. You have your good days, you have your okay days, and you have your bad days. But, before I forget, I know I probably heard me once or twice say this, but every chance I get, I want to thank all y'all that's following us, on our journey. Like I said, we ain't, pros. That's catching, but we just on the fishing journey. Like I said, you have your good days, you have your okay days, you have your bad days. It happens. It happens. But this video here, just little something that I would put together. So y'all can have some footage to to watch. Hopefully y'all enjoy the content. Me and my brother trying to work hard and keep the content coming. It's some days it get rough. But us, we get up early before the sun come up, and try to get out there. I don't know if y'all know this, but me and my brother, we love to fish with live bait. Every now and then we might throw artificial on there. Artificial works also. But we just use live bait. You know what I mean? It works also. It's like me, I love using live minnows. Because the minnows let you know when something down there. Because they react. Even if it's a turtle, they're going to react. They let you know something down there. Almost like a scout, almost. I think that's perfect. That's a perfect way to put it. A minnow is just like a scout. You throw him down there and he looking. When he sees something, a predator coming, he react. Let you know there's something down there. But I hope y'all enjoy the content. And once again, I want to thank y'all. I want to thank all y'all from coming on this journey with us. And it's our journey that we want to share with YouTube and the world. And we thank all y'all that don't subscribe, hit the like, comment it. You know, I mean, we really appreciate it. So like we always say, till next time, deuce. What's up, A-1? Little nephew getting a little practice in. Look at that. Nothing to it. He just rusty. And he probably used to having the push button. But as we all know, it ain't nothing to it. It's nothing to it. That papa and grandson there. That's the future, right there. Our young fishermen. So we're going right over there. I don't know if y'all can see that, but that's where we're going. So I'll get back with y'all in a minute. But let's get on in this water. Oh, and we locked, and soon we get down there, about to be loaded. Peace.
Like you got something big, bro.
Mm-hmm. It'll be a bass. Should put my dog on net.
See if we can bring it.
Uh-huh. They said it's too much to carry. Yup. Another cat. You tired already? Trying to get that fight out of him.
Get him on up, huh?
Mm-hmm. So it might start to run. You see some pliers? He tired.
Catch of the day.
That belly. Mm-hmm. That.
Get it?
Not really. Not without them pliers.
It's in the car, huh?
Yeah, I got nothing. Wait. Oh shit. I don't want to jerk nobody. Trying to get my hooklet, daddy.
I'm gonna release you.
No, I won't get stuck. Yeah, I gotta go to the car. I could throw them back like that, but
Let me see. Where the keys at?
No catfish running in here. Got me one, fam. Nice little slab. Nice slab. Look at that. Woo-woo. Look at that meat. That sweet meat. Mm-hmm. The sweet meat.
Like you have problems getting in.
Nah,
Did you rap on something?
Nah. Alright, fam. We're gonna see if we can find another one. That was a nice lab there. But unfortunately, today is catch and release day. Catch hold to them and release them. You know, sometimes you just gotta do that to keep the balance. Keep the balance going. You don't want to catch them all up, and which I doubt that happened through here, because this hooked to a major lake. But trying to see if anything else around here. I really wasn't quick enough to catch my bobber going down. I'm trying to see if I can get another one in here. That's what I love about minnows, because you could tell when something around, because they panic. You know something down there once they panic. Might have to move down some. Good morning. Okay. I caught one. Yeah. Huh? Yeah, about like that. Mm-hmm. Another one, fam. It's only a matter of time. Only a matter of time. Another slab. Look at that. Oh, I left my phone in the car?
the slab. A-1 fishing, baby.
A-1 fishing. There's something down there. So your bobber go under, you know, just pull it. I'm filming. Might be a bass here. That's a guard. Cigar. Uh-huh. Yup. Little perch. Shoot, he hit like it was on a soccer lid.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, hit that minnow.
Oh, they are doing that.
Uh-huh.
They definitely out here. You up and running?
Yeah. Sure, I had my hopes up high. I got a little something though. Thought you was a soccer lid, boy. Throw you in there. Uh-oh. That's the catch we needed to stay here just a little bit longer. See y'all in a bit. Deuces.